Hello everyone, welcome to another Star Wars review. Today I'm going to review something from the original trilogy collection, 2004 sorry. And it's this little figure, R2-D2, from The Empire Strikes Back, on Dagobah, and he gets thrown into the swamp. It comes with a little Dagobah stand, if you can see that. The unique thing about this figure is that it makes sounds. If you press it once, it makes individual little beeps and boops. If you keep your finger on the button like this, it gives out that little scream. And the eye lights up as well. It's not very well articulated for an astromech. There's no third leg, and he's got swivel hips, what I'm calling hips, and ball hinged ankles. There's no articulation in the neck like there is in some R2 figures, but I guess that's so that all the circuitry and whatnot can go around to make his eye light up. It's a pretty nice figure. The sounds and the paint job make up for the lack of articulation, so it's pretty good. This is the one that I usually put in my Saga 2006 Dagobah X-Wing, which I'll do a review on pretty soon and give you a look at him. So yeah, that's the OTC collection, original trilogy collection, R2-D2. If you enjoyed having a look at this figure, so until my next review, keep collecting, and may the force be with you.